Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to toggle wake up on PME feature on this laptop. So in order to do this, you'll have to enter BIOS, and to enter BIOS, press the power button until the power indicator starts glowing, and once it does, start pressing F2 key until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Now, using the right arrow button, navigate to power option, power section, then press in power section. You can navigate using down and up arrow key, but basically what you have to do is select wake on PME option and then press enter and select the value that you need using down and up arrow keys, and then press enter to confirm. To apply settings, press F10 and enter, and to discard them, press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.